So good morning, we're back at it just to finish up this little project, part 2 of the drill press clamp. Here I'm going to make a couple of hold down nut screws, whatever you want to call it. I'm not thinking too good yet, haven't had my coffee. Just cutting off a couple of pieces of half-inch bar stock. These will be, a handle will be welded on, and then a hole drilled for the tap size for 3/8 all thread, and then re-drilled again for a clearance hole so that only a half-inch at the bottom will be threaded. You didn't think I wanted to thread the entire thing, did you? Not me. Now, weld on the little piece of 1/4-inch bar stock I have. This idea came to me as I was working. I couldn't figure out how I was going to drill that through. Well, one thing I found in a hurry was that my welding just improved immensely. Couldn't figure that one out for a few seconds there. And it turns out the only change I've made since the last time I was welding track panels was I have plugged the welder directly into the wall outlet. It was on an extension cord. And the welds turned out just wonderful. So I'm figuring maybe there's no drop in pressure, and that gets me to where I need to be for that welding. Don't overextend your drill chuck on the lathe. It's a pain. Drill it out, 5/16 for the tap size, and then re-drill it to the clearance size. Tap it. Remember, I'm only tapping a 1/2 inch. Now we have the piece of bar stock. We've drilled it with the 2 holes to match the base plate. A little bit of cleanup to remove the rust and mill scale. Need to make it look pretty, you know. Have to file it, and oh yes, I do a bit of handwork. Need to file it for clearance holes so that it can sit at an angle compared to the bolts, so that it actually works as a clamp. And no, the welding table does not normally rock that bad. Getting close. Now I realize my error, why I couldn't get that thing down to sit down right. I had the bolts in backwards. Fix that up. Bozo. Yeah, I called them bozos when I make mistakes like that. Anyways, there it is. Just need the hold downs on it. And we're finished. Finished this project. And like I'm thinking, his next project is just to do a quick little set to see if I can square up some of that bar stock to make some parallels. Now I have my hold down for holding the tie plates while I drill them for the rail sections, and coming up right away we'll be welding a section of track 10 feet worth. So don't forget to visit me on Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. By supporting me on Patreon, you help to keep the hobby of live steam going.